The webinar is all about the features that we released in mobile application, that is 2.2. Okay, so in today's world, the mobile application is very essential to facilitate the ease of doing business for every organization, right? S- And everyone wants to know that what sales activities are going to happening all over in the sales department or different departments on mobile itself, right? So we have introduced some of the features in the 2.2 release. So let's go one by one. So allow me to share my mobile screen so I can show you what we have developed. So what was happening there? We release or fix any issues in that existed in the mobile application. And what happened? Lots of users are using the same application, but some of the users having a latest mobile application in which we have fixed all the fixed all the bugs, right? And some users are there, they are still using the previous version of the mobile applications, right? So it is very essential to update your application on the time, right? So we introduce one pop-up notification where user will understand that yes, he needs to update his mobile application right now, otherwise he may face the issues in his existing applications. Okay, so if you log in into your mobile application, click on sign in, you will get pop-up notification that is the new update is available. If you click on update now, it will redirect you to the Play Store, and then you can just update your mobile application. If you click on remind me later, then it will disappear at it and it won't show again till the dent till the day it's getting over. Okay, but still if you haven't logged out, right, and you still using throughout the using the application throughout the day, so between the during your use, if you go to burger menu, you can see there is a new update available tooltip, and if you click on the update now CTA, it will again redirect you to the Play Store. uh, so this way your mobile application always be updated, and all the bugs or issues that are coming up in the previous version and whatever bugs and issues we have fixed, you won't face that again, right? So coming to the next part, the major part of that release is about the reports. We now we are having a report listing page. If you go to burger menu, at the end of the list you will see reports. Once you click on the reports, you will see all the reports that is available in the system. Okay, so you can see all the one-dimensional report or multi-dimensional reports or multi-metric reports directly on the mobile applications. So let's take a look one by one. Let me select one of the report. So this is the one report. You can see the report type is one-dimensional report and the name is leads by owner. If I want to see how many leads are there as per the owner, I will just select this report and all the data visuals will be shown on the screen. You can see there is two tiles at the above. header, the total number of leads. You can see there are 5 leads assigned to Tushar and 5 leads assigned to VP. Okay, if I am interested in only one user, I will just click to total owner tile and I can select the owner in which I am interested to. Okay, so now this way I can see only Tushar's lead on mobile application. If I click on the bar, it will navigate me to the listing page where the owner of these leads will be only Tushar. You can see the owner is only Tushar, right? And if you go to filter, you can also see that there are 2 filters, owners and created at. So created at is nothing but the start and till date of the date filter, and owner will be Tushar. Okay, so this is how you get the insights of your data and through the visualization of the report sections, right? So another reports that we have is multi-dimensional report. So let me select another entity. So this is the multi-dimensional report that I have created. If I open this report, you can see there are 2 dimensions I have selected to create this report. The one dimension is owner and the second dimension is pipeline stage. Okay, so I want to know that how many leads are there in certain pipeline stage and who is the owner of that leads. Okay, so if I click on the pipeline stage, I can select only those stages in which I am interested in. So let's say I am not interested in have done stage, so it will automatically disappear from the mobile screen. Okay, also if I don't want to see Tushar's leads data, I will just deselect the owner, and this is how the representation will change. You can also navigate by clicking the bar and it will take you to the listing page of that particular report. Okay, so this was about one dimension and multi-dimensional reports. Yes, we also supporting multi-metric reports as well. So I have a multi-metric report. If you can see, I have named this report as a multi-metric. If I click on the report, I can see the number of deals, that is one metric, and sum of actual value against the number of deals and the owner. Okay, so in this report I have selected 2 different metrics to visualize my data. If I click on any of the number, you can see there is a numbers colored with the blue color. Okay, if I click on that number, it takes me to the listing page. Okay, so this is how you can see the detailed reports on the mobile application. Another thing that we have introduced is dashboard. Yes, the dashboard is very essential to visualize your day-to-day activities. So if you go to burger menu and click on the dashboard, you will see the dashboard that you have prepared or the default dashboard that is available on your web application. So this is the my dashboard that I have created because I was interested in leads and deal entities only. Okay, so I have created this dashboard in web application only. Also the reporting thing, all the reports that are created, you can create these reports only on the web application because there are lots of complexity that in the development and settings. So that's why we only visualizing and showing all the reports on the mobile application, but in order to view all the reports, you have to create those reports in web application only. Okay, once it is created, you can just go through the listing or dashboard and you are ready to see those reports. Like I have created a dashboard. I have added some of the dashlets like new leads, open leads. Yes, I want to know that how many new leads are coming up in the system, how many leads are there with the open pipeline stage. So I have added those dashlet from my web application. Okay, also I want to know that how many leads are there with respect to just give me a minute screenshot. So this is the dashboard that I have created. I am interested in leads and deals section entity only. You can see I have created dashboard with different dashlets. So you can see there is a new leads, open leads, and this is the activity that I want to perform every day. That I want to know that how many new leads are coming up in the system, how many leads are in the open stage. Also, I want to know on a daily basis that how many leads are associated with Ushar and how many leads are associated with VP. Okay, so this is how I create uh, dashboard on web application, and I can see those dashboard in mobile application as well. So if you see that in the report section, there is a expand view button. I have added this report on a dashboard. If I click on the expand view, if the data is huge and the number of dimension is very much more, then it will show me a horizontal vertical scroll where I can scroll up and down to see all the detailed reports. Because this is very limited area to show the detailed reports on a dashboard. That's why we have given expand view, so you can just click on the expand view and see all the detailed reports. Okay, about the multimetric report on a dashboard, you can see there are I have added multiple metrics, but there is something limitation to visualize the things, right? If I click on expand view, you can see through detailed report by horizontally scroll. Okay, so this is how with the help of mobile application you can just perform the daily activities and get the insight of all the your work that has been done in a day. Okay, there's another tab you can see at the header, upcoming meetings. If you go to upcoming meetings, it will show you all the upcoming meetings. At the footer you can see there is today, so I don't have any meeting on a today. If I click on next 21st April 22nd, so there is a meeting scheduled on 21st April. So all the meetings, daily meetings listing will be shown on the dashboard itself. The same thing happening right now on the web application as well. If you are existing customer of the Kylas and you are using a Kylas, you can see that all the meetings and task listing on dashboard itself. So this is how we have tried to introduce same functionalities on mobile itself. Same for upcoming tasks. If I go to upcoming tasks, right now there is no task available for today as I have completed all the tasks, but I go further, I can see all my pending tasks, upcoming tasks on dashboard itself. So this was about the dashboard. Another thing that this is again very minor thing but very essential, that is in operator. We were getting many requests to introduce the in operator, right? So if you go to any of the listing page from the burger menu, let's say I'm going to lead listing page, and if you want to apply a filter with multiple values. You uh, you are not able to do that. But now if, let's say, I'm selecting one of the filter, let's say by owner, and if I select in with the in operator, now I can enter multiple values in a single turn. So let's say I'm selecting owner Jaideep. I have selected owner as Jaideep. Now I can select another owner, and if I apply this filter, you will see all the leads of Jaideep. I don't have a read permission on VP, I think. So I'm the owner. So this is the list. You can see the owner is Jaideep. Some of the leads are with the Jaideep as a owner, and some of the leads are VP as the owner. So in operator is very essential for those users who want to get filtered their data with multiple values. So this was the thing that we have introduced in the mobile application. If anyone having questions about using mobile application, they can ask, they can unmute themselves. Any feature that you want in a mobile application, they also can share their views. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining this webinar.
Thank you for joining the webinar, everyone. Have a good evening.